We're getting on the grill at the Calgary Stampede.
Jason would like.
Ready for Uncle Drew on the grill? This is amazing. This is a Calgary classic at the Stampede. 100 years of pancakes at the Calgary Stampede. Greatest place on earth. You got to come out here and enjoy the Stampede.
We're hiring, eh?
I'm ready to work all day. I just want a hat and everything though.
Well, we want you to volunteer with us.
Absolutely. Boom! Appreciate it. Appreciate it, everybody. Thanks for everything you're doing for everybody. Amazing. That's great. Thanks so much. Uncle Drew at the Calgary Stampede on the griddle, flipping pancakes with bacon, a true Canadian classic. If you haven't made it out to Calgary, Alberta, Canada yet for the Stampede, put it on your calendar for next year, Calgary Stampede 2024. Boom! Delicious. Boom.